Do you want a house and lot that is highly customizable, meaning you have the complete freedom if ilang bedrooms yung gusto nyong ilagay, and you have the open layout and you will decide kung nasaan ang dining, living, and kitchen area nyo? Then this project, V at Southern Plains here in Laguna, is perfect for you. So para ma-familiarize kayo no, kung nasan talaga si V at Southern Plains, I intentionally started yung magiging route natin papunta sa subdivision or sa project, which is si V at Southern Plains, dito sa South Luzon Expressway. So from Manila, of course, di ba, for example, kung nanggaling kayo sa BGC, Makati, Quezon City Airport, you will enter South Luzon Expressway para makapunta dito sa Laguna. So if bago mag South Luzon Expressway, kung taga QC man, mag Skyway muna kayo. And then sa pinakadulo ng Skyway, connecting SLEX na agad. So para ma-familiarize kayo, uy Jaire, ano ba yung ine-exitan sa V? Kasi sobrang lapit nito sa Silangan exit. So wag kayo malilito guys, no? Kasi usually, ang alam natin or we are most familiar at the exits, for example sa Santa Rosa exit, Mamplasan exit, dahil nandyan yung New Valley area, Greenfield City, and Eton City exit. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala guys, no? Kasi parang langangapit bahay lang talaga tayo when we are here at South Luzon Expressway. Hindi porkit umatras tayo ng konti is sobrang layo na niya. Kasi we're just one tall exits away from each other. So madadaanan natin, no? Actually nadaanan na natin si Mamplasan exit, nadaanan na rin natin si Santa Rosa exit. So ang sunod na madadaanan natin si Eton City exit, no? Si Eton, pwede rin tayong pumasok doon if familiar pa kayo, no, sa mga na-videohan natin kay Solan Residences, Pramana, kay Greenfield City. Yun yung way na pwede nating pasukin, no, papunta sa Greenfield City at kay New Valley proper. Pero if hindi tayo papasok doon, dire-diretso tayo just like what we are doing right now. Malalampasan natin si Eton City exit and then makikita natin si Cabuyao City exit, and then after Cabuyao City exit, yun na yung Silangan exit. We will enter there in order for us to go, no, kay V at Southern Plains. So nandito tayo ngayon, and then as you can see, actually may road widening project sa South Luzon Expressway kasi nga nagiging next big thing na rin talaga tong si Laguna, lalo na itong si Santa Rosa, Binyan, and Calamba, in which continuous yung development from big developers. Dahil nga ang ganda ng location niya, this is technically, no, the province, no, one of the provinces that is very accessible to Metro Manila, and parang nagiging part na siya ng Mega Manila, no? So lagi kong iniisip, bakit pa naging nandito yung development? Well, siguro malaki talagang driver yung economic performance, most specifically ni Laguna, na #1 province siya, no? In terms of correct me if I'm wrong, but the article that I've read, yata si Laguna yung biggest contributor when it comes to GDP, no, ng economic performance ng Pilipinas for the past year. So nakikita nyo sa screen, ito si Eton City exit or Greenfield City exit. Hindi tayo papasok dyan ngayon dahil papunta tayo kay V at Southern Plains. So dire-diretso lang ulit tayo. So after Eton City exit, Cabuyao exit na tayo agad. Ano ang landmark dyan? Of course, no? My school before, ito pala, katapat natin is the Mapua Malayan Colleges Laguna, in which they will be offering BS Aeronautical Engineering. So technically, they are the first aviation school in Laguna. So hindi kayo talaga maliligaw dito sa Laguna, no? Even if you're living in Nuvali, it doesn't mean na hindi kayo malapit, for example, kay Mapua Malayan Colleges Laguna na nakalocate sa Cabuyao. Kasi nga, one tall exit away from each other lang, no? Yung mga municipality or cities dito kay Laguna. And of course, no, after the Cabuyao exit, nakita niyo yung signage, hindi ulit tayo pumasok doon, nilampasan natin siya, Silangan exit na. So again, review tayo para hindi kayo malito. As you enter South Luzon Expressway, ang unang-una niyo makikita si MCX, and then Susana Heights, and then Southwoods exit, Carmona exit, Mamplasan exit or Binyan exit, no? And then Santa Rosa exit, then Eton exit, Cabuyao exit, and then Silangan exit na agad. So, ganun lang siya kabilis, no? Dire-diretso lang talaga, no? Mukha lang siyang marami or overwhelming, no? Pag binabanggit ko na, ay, ang mo na banggit, Jaire. Pero, mabilis lang siya dahil iisang way lang naman. So, ito na si Silangan exit, and then dyan tayo mag-e-enter. So, papasok na tayo ng Silangan exit. Gusto kong makita nyo no real time, walang cut or edit ng video kung gaano kalapit si V at Southern Plains dito sa toll exit. Lagi kong sinasabi, accessibility at location ng nabili nyong property forever na yung nandyan. Hindi nyo na maililipat yan. So, it's very important that if you bought a property near, like for example, the South Luzon Expressway, the time, energy, and effort, and of course, money that you would save long-term, no? Yung benefit na makukuha mo. So, we just turn right. Actually, malapit ito kay Carmel Town, which is a light industrial park. And then malapit siya, like for example, sa plants, for example, here ni Coca-Cola Beverage Philippines, Canlubang plant. Kaya, right now, no, may mga trucks tayo nakakasabay. But don't worry, safe naman dito sa lugar na to. Actually, kapag nasa economic zone, mas pinaprioritize nila yung safety and mas mahigpit sila. Actually, on the right, ay ang puti na yan, ayan na agad si V at Southern Plains. Seconds away, no? Seconds away, wala pang minutes, wala pang yatang 30 seconds. Nandito na tayo kay V at Southern Plains. And yung katapat niyan, bibigyan ko kayo ng tip, guys, it is owned by SM. So, i-commercialize din ni SM itong lugar na to. So, mauuna ulit sa development, you will be enjoying the price as of the moment. So, this is V at Southern Plains here in Laguna. So, nakalampas na tayo sa guardhouse. I just want you to feel the community inside V at Southern Plains. Actually, Southern Plains is an 85 hectare, no, na development. And then, 5 hectare lang, ano? Correct me if I'm wrong. Sorry, 500 units lang ang total na under kay V. So si V kasi yung nag-o-offer ng house and lot only projects. Pero nasa loob siya ng 85 hectare na Southern Plains development. So pupunta tayo sa clubhouse muna ng V at Southern Plains. Before we visit yung mga model houses nila, dito muna tayo sa main clubhouse. So I just want you to see kung ano yung itsura, ano yung feel, kung paano ba dine-develop ito ng developer ni V at Southern Plains. So speaking of the developer, punta tayo dito sa bar nila. Ang developer nito is si Victor Consunji Development Corporation. Familiar with the name? Very familiar because Victor Consunji belongs to one of the family of developers here. One of the developments or yung company nila is si DMCI, so sikat na condominium developer sa Pilipinas. So Victor Consunji is focusing on a horizontal development right now. Pag makita nyo mamaya yung mga model houses at yung isang itutour ko kayo, makikita nyo na yung theme talaga is brutalist architecture. So I like the idea. I like how they also designed the amenities, this main clubhouse. So, itong pinasok ko ngayon, this is the kids area dito sa main clubhouse. So, itong kids area na to, this is air-conditioned indoor. So, pwede nyo iwan yung mga kids nyo dito while you are swimming, ginagamit niyo yung pool, or pag nagsawa na mag-swim yung mga kids. And then, labas ulit tayo, punta naman tayo sa other side, in which nandun naman yung function area ng main clubhouse. So, I really like this feels. Very modern brutalist yung parang atake nila na talagang nakaka-amp up ng community when it comes to, kaya pala siya nata-target yung mga high-end market because you're getting what you pay for, not just your house itself but the whole community. So let's go here inside the function area. So actually, aside from this one na magiging function area, I think pwede ka mag-receive ng mga visitors mo here if ayaw mo silang ipunta sa house mo, if masyado silang marami. You can also like make this as like a casual business meeting area. So aside from the main clubhouse, which is ito, they are promoting 3 lifestyle zones. So ito yung 3 lifestyle zones na pinopromote nila. So aside from that, ano pa yung mga amenities here na under construction or development? The active zone with the fitness park. So sa active zone with fitness park, they have their own air-conditioned gym, may Olympic-sized pool, and then the basketball court and dance studio. So aside from the pool here at the main clubhouse, from their other parks, meron tayong ibang pools pa. Aside from it, we also have the fun zone with the kids park. So we have the multi-function room for birthday parties and play dates, private cinema, active playground, and kiddie pool with slide. And the last one is the social zone with its own clubhouse also. So with the social zone, so this is the entertainment hub for family, friends, and community. And ang kasama doon is the relaxing pool with lounge, fully air-conditioned art gallery style, poolside open bar, and the clubhouse for up to 100 guests. So imagine the lifestyle, the community that this project is offering to those who will be residing here or who will invest in their house and lot or their lot only. As you can see, kita pa rin naman yung view ni Mount Makiling. Kahit dito, kitang-kita yung view ni Mount Makiling, and I know you are very excited na matour na natin yung isa sa mga model houses nila. Magkano nga ba yan, Jaire? And bakit mo nasabing highly customizable siya? Excited? I'm also very excited. Kaya tara, puntahan na natin siya. Let's take a tour on one of their model houses. This is Sage Premier Villa, sitting on a 230 square meter lot area. Again, 3 floors yung pupuntahan natin or i-visit natin for this Sage Premier Villa, pero dahil nga highly customizable siya, you can have this model house if you just want first floor or bungalow up to 2 floors, or gusto nyo lang 3 bedrooms lang, you have the complete freedom. But for this one, ang papasukin natin, composed of 5 bedrooms, maximum of 3 floors, and sitting on a 230 square meter lot area. So sa harapan ng bahay, since this architecture is modern brutalist, kaya ganito yung design niya, you have 2 carports. So again, as I observe, 2 SUVs kasyang-kasya siya dito. And then ito naman yung entrance on the main door. Pero ito na rin yung gate niya. Isara ko muna so para makita nyo na parang hindi mo siya akalain na gate. Seamless yung design, but as you open it, gate pala siya nung pinakabahay. So tara, punta tayo here. And then, bago tayo pumasok ng door, I just want to highlight this one. Nandito yung parang meron siyang mini garden dito sa harap ng bahay niya. Let's go and enter na sa pinakabahay. And then as you enter the house, nandito na agad yung receiving area niya or the living area. The living area is quite spacious, as you can see. We have the sofa here, and then ang laki pa ng space niya going to the other 2-seater dito na sofa. So, ang laki ng area ng living area niya, and then dito sa side na to, ang nangyari nga lang since parang naging receiving area siya, pwede ka rin namang mag-mount ng television here. And then, as you walk pa, papunta dito sa house, so kung mapapansin nyo, pahaba siya, may accent na ganito. So again, this is a brutalist architecture. Wow! First time ko makakita ng ganito, and kung makikita niyo yung roofing, kaya very inviting yung natural lighting kasi glass roof yung ginamit niya. So meaning, instead na covered siya, covered naman talaga siya, pero dahil glass siya, nagiging inviting yung natural lighting dito sa pinaka main part of the house, sa loob ng bahay. And then, nandito yung dining area. This one is an 8-seater dining table, and para kang merong indoor na garden, na nasa ilalim stairs mo. And on this side naman is the kitchen area. So for the kitchen area, nandito yung kitchen island mo. Ayan. And then, ang gusto ko dito sa kitchen na to, ganda niya, ang aliwalas niya. Tapos meron ka pang, nandito yung ano mo, sink mo, and then nandito yung area mo where you can cook, and then meron siyang parang backdrop or design, no? Hindi po ito painting, this is a real tree in which hanggang doon sa 3rd floor, no? Tagusan, nandun pa sa pinakataas yung glass roofing niya. Kaya hanggang dito sa 1st floor, tumatagos yung natural lighting. Wow! Ang ganda, no? Parang, it feels like I'm in a museum, parang ganun, or parang, dahil nga brutalist architecture and then first time ko lang din makapag-tour ng ganitong bahay. Kaya, hanggang ngayon, kahit nag-shoot tayo ng video, mas ngayon pa lang siya nagmamarinate, no, sa isip ko, no, on how beautiful it is. I may say, adventurous pala, yung ganitong type of architecture. And then, na-discover lang to ni Gian kanina. Wala lang, ang cool lang, no? As you open this cabinet, base cabinet, nandito na yung garbage area mo. Naka-install siya, right? And then, nandito sa kitchen area yung powder room. So, as you can see on this powder room, spacious siya kaysa sa mga ibang powder room na nakita ko sa ibang model houses from different developer. Mag-green siya, no? A lot of open spaces, and then nandito yung maid's room natin. For the maid's room, hindi rin siya crowded, no? Yung feeling, hindi rin siya masikip na parang yung iba kasi na maid's room. Ito na agad, pagpasok mo, nandito na agad yung closet. Pero dito, makakahinga-hinga pa, no? Yung kasama natin sa bahay and nandito yung bed niya. Actually, queen size bed pa nga is kasya dito. And then, nandito yung toilet and bath ng maid natin. So, meron pa rin siyang privacy kahit pa paano. And then, on this area, this one naman, dahil nga technically parang open door, outdoor ito, nakatago, no, yung mga cleaning materials mo here in this area. So, this one naman, bago tayo pumasok sa 2nd floor, yung master's bedroom is located at the 1st floor. In a way, nagustuhan ko siya na ang master's bedroom is nasa 1st floor, or if you don't want like your master's bedroom to be located in the 1st floor, you can convert the master's bedroom dun sa 2nd or 3rd floor, and then mag-remain pa rin kayo ng bedroom dito para sa elderly, or you can convert it to your office area, and then meron kang parang open space pa din. Ayan, dahil nga, wala na siyang glass roofing, so papakita namin sa camera mamaya, no? Open space ito, butas to, no? Hanggang sa taas. Para mas ma-appreciate nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. And then, nandito yung ating toilet and bath for the master's bedroom. So, still spacious siya. Nandito yung kitchen area, toilet, and then yung shower area. And then, you have your mini walk-in closet here beside your sofa. Para siyang condo, para siyang studio type na condominium unit. And then, this one naman, ang nagustuhan ko sa model house na to, kahit na marami siyang pa-plant sa loob, hindi siya messy tignan. Minsan kasi merong iba na ganito yung type of design na merong mga plants, indoor plants, pero parang ang gulo. But still, no, neat and elegant pa rin siya tignan, just like this one. Check na the 2nd floor of this house. Again, this is Sage Premier Villa. And then, wow, ang laki niya tuloy tignan kasi yung glass roofings niya nakakatulong na maging wide. And then sobrang liwanag niya coming from the natural light, kaya mas lalong spacious yung feeling niya. And at the same time, no, bago ka pumasok, kasi mga bedrooms na lang naman yung nandito, parang meron kang, pwede mo nga gawing parang entertainment area to or family hall. Or, I think perfect na nga to, na parang may ganito ka na table and chairs dito na pwedeng maging study area. But, ang nagustuhan ko lang here, very open siya, no? Parang nakikita mo talaga kung ano yung nasa 1st floor kasi nga, nandito yung parang tree, no? Na nasa 1st floor. And then, bago natin pasukin yung mga bedrooms here, punta muna tayo dito sa balcony ng 2nd floor. So, for the 2nd floor, you have a very spacious balcony here. iba yung attack ng balcony nito na parang resort style. And makikita nyo naman sa mga ginamit nilang mga material sa model houses on how modern it is, no? Para mas mag-complement siya dun sa type of architecture ng mga bahay nila. Yan. And then, yung ano pa lang, no? Yung mga pots ng plant, makita mo kung ano yung parang pinaparating ng bahay, no? Nung design ng bahay na very sophisticated. And I may say, no, honestly, this type of like design or house, hindi ito para sa lahat. No? Meron tayong kanya-kanyang preference. But if you are like a person, no, na gusto ganito yung take, ganito yung attack, no, ng bahay, spacious, maraming natural light, then this is perfect for you. So balik tayo dito sa part ng house, no, dito sa second floor. And then let's check this one. Wow! It feels like I'm in a master's bedroom again. No? So, nandito yung bed, and then we'll try to open the lights. Ayan, so meron kang parang living area mo here, and then nandito yung mga closets mo. Wow! Aesthetic, no? Aesthetic talaga siya. And then, nandito yung toilet and bath mo. And as you can see, parang master's bedroom din nga siya, no? Because as we tour the house kasi, kasama yung mga nandito sa community, first floor daw is the master's bedroom. Pero I think, parang ito master's bedroom number 2 kasi merong sariling his and her na vanity area, nandito yung toilet, and then we have the shower area. Quite spacious. Malaki talaga siya, no? And then, puntahan natin tong isang door pa because we have a total of 3 doors here sa second floor. Okay, so ito naman ginawa nilang children's room. So, meron kang bed dito for your kid, and then meron siyang sarili niyang study table, study area, and then magkabilang side is the closet, and then meron siyang parang mini playground dito, play area. And meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. Wow! So you're getting what you pay for naman pala because this house, this amounts to 50 million pesos eh. If gusto nyong ganito, 3 floors and then may storage area here naman. So for the second floor, we have a total of 2 bedrooms with a storage area and a very spacious balcony, and this hall na pwedeng maging tambayan or study area with this kind of accent kasi glass roofing siya, kaya very inviting for natural lighting. So let's go na to the third floor. Akyat na tayo sa third floor. Ito ulit siya, no? Glass roofing again for natural lighting. And then as we enter the third floor, ang bubungad sa atin is, I think this is again a storage area. Yeah, storage area again. And ang total ulit, no, ng bedrooms dito sa third floor is 2 ulit, just like the second floor. So ito, ginawa nilang parang room ng baby. Ang ganda din ng attack nila, ng design nila para meron kayong idea, uy, paano kapag teenager yung gagamit ng room, kapag bata pa lang siya, or kapag baby. So, you have this flexibility kung anong gusto nyong gawin. So, merong ganito din, no? And then, of course, no, may sarili ulit toilet and bath. So, puntahan natin yung next room. Ano naman kaya yung itsura ng pangalawang room dito sa third floor. So, for the third floor, dito sa second room, okay, if you have twins or magkapatid, no? Pwedeng ang ganito yung design. I like this one. And then, same lang din naman ang layout. Ang katapat ng pinaka-bed is their study area, and then magkabilang side is the closet, and then they have their own toilet and bath again. And then for this one, common yung access ng balcony. So if mapapansin nyo here, ito yung glass roofing from the second floor, kaya kita itong dining, parang tables and chairs na in-install, no, sa parang hallway niya. And ang laki pa din ng area niya. Kaya naman pwedeng maximum of 7 bedrooms dito kay Sage Premier Villa kasi nga ang laki pa ng space na iniwan nila for balcony. So if you wanted to convert this one to a bedroom, another bedroom, marami pa kayong pwedeng ilagay or i-install for this model house. So let's discuss the pricing and the computation. Again, this is Sage Premier Villa, one of the model house here at V at Southern Plains here in Silangan Exit, Laguna. So again, this is a highly customizable house and lot package by Victor Consunji Development Corporation. And I like this one kasi kayo ang makakapamili kung ilang bedrooms yung gusto nyong i-install, kung ano yung number of floors na gusto nyo lang. If you want bungalow, 2 floors, 3 floors, you have the complete freedom. And the first floor, this is open layout, meaning you also have the freedom kung saan nyo ipapwesto yung kitchen, dining, and living area nyo. Kaya naman ang price range niya is from 27 million to 50 million pesos. Kasi magma-matter or magva-vary yung price niya depende kung ilang bedroom yung gusto mong install at kung ilang number of floors yung gusto mong ilagay or ipatayo sa minimum lot area niya na 230 square meters. But for this one, ang i-discuss natin na computation is for this model house para hindi kayo malito. So for this model house, this is composed of 5 bedrooms, 3 stories with full roof deck, no? Sa ground floor, meron tayong 2 bedrooms. Sa second floor, meron din tayong 2 bedrooms with garden, and then sa third floor, meron ulit tayong 2 bedrooms with deck. So baka nalilito kayo, isang master's bedroom lang naman yung pinakita mo sa first floor, Jaire. Kasama po kasi yung maid's room. So for this house again, this is at 50,484,691.09 pesos. Yung 20% ng 50 million, yun yung magiging down payment nyo, payable for 2 years or 24 months. So that's about 420,705.75 per month. Yung maiiwan na 80% balance, you can loan it through bank. Or if you want to avail discounts, a big discounts, you can pay the down payment in spot or pay this one in cash. But again, kung gusto nyong mas less sa 50 million, you don't need a maximum of 5 to 7 bedrooms, you can avail it bungalow, first floor, 2 bedrooms, it's up to you. Mas magiging mura siya. The base price would be 27 million. Again, hanggang 50 million pesos for this bedroom. So, if you want to inquire about this project, V at Southern Plains, kasi isa lang ito sa 4 model units nila. Kung gusto nyo pang mas malalaki, a total of 10 bedrooms, meron din sila. Please feel free to inquire through my iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp account. That's +63927-185-1590. Again, +63927-185-1590. Email me at thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. You can follow me through my Facebook page, that's The Property Geek, and you can directly message me on my personal Facebook account, that's Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Again, I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. Again, this is Jaire, your Property Geek, always inviting you to come home to the Philippines, come home to Santa Rosa.